How's it going, guys? Thank y'all for joining us today. This is a video. We have got a deer on the ground finally. It's been a grind here for me this year. It seemed like to get one put down, but we finally got one on the ground. It's been a long process, but it's from that old trusty ground blind I've been telling y'all about. You don't leave deer to find deer. So hope y'all hang out with us. Check out this video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for us. We appreciate that, and we'll see you here in just a little bit. Appreciate it. What's going on, guys? You can see we're bundled up this afternoon. It has been a cold, windy day. The wind's finally starting to lay down. It's around 2 o'clock right now. Just got back here in the blind. Still got a couple good deer coming in. It's rifle season, as y'all know. When them big bucks seem to hear the rifle until the rut kicks off, they disappear. But we've still got a couple hanging around. Ain't been too much pressure on them yet, so we're going to see what we can't see. But like I said, it's been a cold day. Deer ought to be moving this afternoon, you'd think. It was only around 35 degrees today was the high, so we're going to see what we can't get done. Y'all hang out with us. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for us. We appreciate it, and appreciate y'all being here with us. We'll see you here in a little bit. He's down right over there. I just dropped a daddy, son.
No, you did.
I did.
No, you did.
I swear.
You did.
I swear.
You did.
Toddy, just come running in here.
Huh?
He just come running in here and just stopped. I don't even know.
The camera?
Yeah, I don't even know where he came from.
Hold on, let me look. Ain't no deer on that camera.
Well, I got him on the camera.
Which one is it?
I don't know. I mean, he looked like an 8-point, but he's a big bastard.
Big horse?
Oh, God.
Get him on video?
Yeah, he's on video. I got it shot on video, too.
Big time.
Oh, he's over here in this creek bed.
He left?
Yeah.
Did he run?
Yeah, he ran.
He took the PRC?
Mm-hmm. That son of a bitch is fucking huge.
You think it's the 7-point?
I don't think so. I think it's an 8-point. One, I don't even know if I'm not even gonna look for blood. I'm just gonna walk over here. Gave him about 20 minutes there. Made my phone calls towards where I seen him fall. Let's see if we can find him. I hope all that got on video, the action, but I can tell you one thing. It is dang cold out here today. It's just one of them times, you know, like you can't go without seeing a deer, and I was beginning to wonder, because we have went all afternoon without seeing anything. He's down right there. I can see him. My gosh, guys. What a deer. To not see anything for all evening. It's been as cold as it is. But let's walk right over here and see what we got. I can tell you one thing. I'm happy with him no matter what, because he was a Jim Dandy. Coming through them dang laurel bushes. I wish I'd got a little bit more video of him, but tight quarters in here right now, and you can't really see much when the laurels is out. We wasn't going to let that walk. Like we've told you before, we're hunters over filmers, so we're going to get it done when we can get it done. But I can tell you right now, he is a dandy. That's why you always stick with it. Your luck can change in 10 seconds. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. As I want you to look at this. Right here, mountain. Looks like an 8-pointer. I ain't even picked him up, but we're going to take a look at him here, see what we can't get done. And we'll get him down here and get some pictures of him. I'll get back with you. As y'all can see there, it was a slow afternoon. That is the only deer I've seen that afternoon. And that's kind of uncommon. That's back to that old trusty ground blind. Like I said, you don't leave deer to find deer, but it's on a piece of our private property. that we have permission to hunt. That's on my family's farm there. It's a good deer, not one of the ones we were necessarily after. He showed up there a couple of nights, and that's actually the first time he daylighted. We're not real sure what's going on with the deer movement around here. It's been super slow for the weather we've had. It's been cold, been super cold at times. I mean, down in the low teens, and the deer are just not moving very good right now. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's that time of year. Our rut here usually hits right here around the middle of December, especially in the part of the county that we hunt. It's usually the strongest part of the rut what we usually see every year. So we're going to be hanging out in the woods for the next couple of weeks. Austin, he is off for 2 weeks straight here. We're going to see what we can't get done. We both have one more buck tag here in North Carolina, and about a month we're going to be heading to Alabama. So can't ask for no more than that. But God bless you. We appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, if you have any questions, please comments, leave them down there below for us. Be glad to talk to anybody. But that being said, like and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless you. Thank you.